This is the big fabulous wig. All right, we're gonna get into it, honey, because this wig is definitely giving me everything that I need, especially when it comes to a curly wig install. So before we jump into it, I want to say my name is Diamond Mind. Welcome. Hello, girls. Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna get into it. Today's wig is being sponsored by RPG Hair. This is their curly lace frontal wig. You definitely get a good amount of parting space, like parting your hair. But I will say on the sides is where it kind of got me a little bit. I want to say like on the sides you get like 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches of like lace where you can go in and pluck the hairline, which could be a good thing, especially for those who don't have the time to be plucking all day or who don't have the experience to pluck their wigs, knowing that you don't have to work with a whole lot of lace. So it actually could be a good thing. But for me, honestly, I wanted a little bit more lace because I wanted to go further back with my plucking. But nevertheless though, you still get a good amount of lace, a good amount of parting space, so that's not going to disappoint you. Now as you guys saw, now this wig did not come pre-plucked, nor did it come with bleached knots. Let me make sure, because I do so many wigs I can't keep up. Yeah. Okay, so this wig did not come with the pre-plucked hairline. It did not come with pre-bleached lace, which I really wish it would have, but I will say the lace is nice. Now, even though this wig did not come with a pre-plucked hairline, it took maybe about 5 to 10 minutes to get a good amount of hair out of the hairline. Now the density on the hairline, which is 130%, is definitely in the hair and not on the hairline. Real cute, simple, quick look to go to. Let me say this too. Girl, do not saturate your wig with a lot of water, because this wig does not need a lot of water. It does not need a lot of product. I was so surprised by this. Like, girl, I'm sitting here soaking wet. I was sitting here soaking wet because I'm thinking like I gotta drench this wig. But baby, no. You do not have to drench this wig like this. Like a couple of sprays, use a paddle brush or a dimming brush, brush through the hair, and girl, the water, the product, whatever you put on this hair saturates so well. It distributes so well. You don't even have to use a whole lot of stuff. Like, girl, I'm just like, why didn't you test this before you just got your whole upper body soaking wet? Like, why do you do that? Overall, I think it's a nice quality wig. I think it's definitely like a low maintenance wig because it doesn't require a whole lot of product to get the hair to be defined and curl, and it's not going to give you a big poofy look at the beginning. And I know that's a concern for those who are just trying out curly wigs, or those who just don't have the time to put the maintenance that comes with curly wigs. I think with this wig, it's not really going to require a lot of your attention. I'm about to dip out because I got somewhere to go today. But anyways, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.